This is my first photo shoot. I don't necessarily know exactly what I'm doing. It's literally my first time ever doing something like this. It's literally less than 12 hours before the shoot. I just found somebody to do my makeup. I found a very cool photographer through Fiverr, and she's booking a studio here in Lisbon, Portugal, which is where I am traveling and working for an entire month as a digital nomad. So this is honestly the best experience I could ask for. And of course, I'm gonna take you guys along as we go through it, as I learn how this process is. For now, all I have is like my Pinterest vibe inspiration, and that's pretty much it. Good morning, it's 6:40. Breakfast, spot in between. Makeup is just complete. Like 3 minutes to get the Uber and leave. Bom dia.
Olá, Laura?
Sim.
Bom dia. Bom dia.
So that was my first ever brand photo shoot for like my brand, which is absolutely wild because I've always been on the other side of the camera for clients. So being on this side of the camera and having a studio and a team and this space is absolutely mind-blowing. And this is honestly all thanks to Fiverr that I found this amazing photographer that's here in Lisbon. This is where I'm currently traveling and working from. So absolutely crazy experience, and I loved it. I had a lot of fun. Well, now we're stranded. We have to go back. We're definitely like in the suburbs of Lisbon, so there's no metro. We have to wait for an Uber to show up, but it says they're really far. And walking to the station would take us 2 hours and 29 minutes. So.
And we haven't had a proper breakfast.
That's right. So.
We'll keep you posted.
That's the update. And we're back. A very successful day. I did, however, wake up at 6 a.m. and my body is telling me, take a nap, take a nap. But before I do so, since this was my first experience ever doing a brand photo shoot, these are the things that I would do differently for next time. Next time, I would definitely book more than 1 hour. I think this hour went by flying and I honestly had a blast. I wish we had more time in the studio. The studio was amazing. Elena, the photographer, also super skilled. She did give me a preview of the photos and they look so good. We took the photos in horizontal and vertical formats because they will be used not only for my website, but for collaborations and interviews that I have coming up. And honestly, I realize how important it is to have actual brand visual photos of anything, whether it's your product, your service, yourself. So I think it is something that I want to keep doing at least every 6 months to give my brand a refresh. And now that I know that I can hire photographers and do the whole process through Fiverr, it obviously makes it a lot easier as I'm traveling and exploring different cities. I can just go on, filter by the country where I'm at, start contacting, see who's available, and voila, it's that easy. So for now, what's left is to wait. Elena said it's about 7 days for her to do the photo delivery, and we'll see what the final outcome comes out to. It is Tuesday. I have to check because honestly, I don't even know like what days of the week it is. It's Tuesday. It's been less than a week. I already have the link of the final pictures. I've actually had it for 2 days now. I haven't clicked on it. I always remember when I'm in bed in PJs and I'm like, I want to film my reaction so you guys can see. So we're doing it. It's happening right now. I'm opening the email. Where did she send it to me? I think it was an email. And we're going to look at the pictures for the first time. Should we bring Gabe? Come. That way you can see both of our reactions.
Hi.
Download photos in one click. Next, share photos with friends. Choose the best photo. Oh, this is an interesting thing. Choose the best photos for photo books, retouching, or printing. Click on the heart. Okay. Ooh! Look how glowy I look. Okay. Okay, we'll see. Ooh. Let's click right here.
Wow. Clean, professional.
I love how it looks. This was exactly the vibe that we were going for on Pinterest. And we wanted to have like that natural light streak. Oh my God, I love this one. We wanted to have that natural light streak coming in. So we timed it. Like she asked the studio what time the light comes in. Thankfully that day there was sun and it looks so good.
We had different outfits.
Yes.
Different chairs.
Different chairs. Everything was part of the studio. Everything was already there. The studio is called Big Style Studio in Lisbon. They just opened. Everyone there is super, super, super nice. I really recommend it. The only thing, as you guys saw, was that it was pretty like out there in the city. So you definitely just have to get yourself an Uber. And this was done, as you guys saw, in like 2 days. Look at this one. This is perfect. So I told her I wanted horizontal and vertical, and like this one in horizontal style. That's perfect for like a website or a banner or anything like that. I love it. I love it. She did such a good job. Look at this one. This was exactly the Pinterest board that I had.
Here you can see the importance of hiring someone that knows what
Yeah.
to do, how to pose. It's not only about the cameras, the posing and everything.
Which one's your favorite?
I like all of them.
I really like, oh, there's just so many. I like this one. I think this one's nice. And I think the sun just adds perfectly to it. It's like the whole vibe put together.
Yeah. It's great.
I love it. All right, I am obsessed with the results. They came out so good. It was exactly what I was looking for. Elena did such a good job. I'm so thankful that I found her. She understood exactly what I was looking for. She delivered before the expected time. And overall, this process was honestly such a fun thing to document, also because it was my first experience. You guys know from the first day I was super lost. Had no idea what it would be like, but this came out so good. So don't forget that if you're looking for a photographer, you can find them on Fiverr, sort by location, and it doesn't stop just there. Normally I hire video editors, short editors, I worked with SEO tag researchers, so many other things on Fiverr, and honestly my experience has been great. You have to look through, filter, read the reviews, make sure you get in contact with them, that you guys click with the communication, and that's normally the recipe for a perfect match.
We about to make it happen.